Oh my god, Ate Joy, it's really the boric bread. The color red. Yeah, perfect, Ate Joy. So, I will edit the video and yeah, need coloring and it will become red. So it's boricat bread, very yummy. Yeah, so yummy. So guys, here's our ingredients for this bread pudding. Make a love shout out to Ate Joy, cacao, Cebu cacao farmers, bisdak farmers, yes. And she's requesting me last year to do this recipe because we worked together in Abu Dhabi and I used to bake this one. So of course these are old breads. You just do it like that, guys. And it's better, you know, the old bread is more it's not expensive, so we just do it like that, guys. This is about one loaf bread, one bag of loaf bread. You can start first with half. If lacking of liquid thing like your evap milk, you can add another 1 can of evap or fresh milk. So our bread is already done. And Ate Joy, your request. Finally, since last year you request me to bake this one and finally I did it. Now you can cook this one now in your home in the Philippines. So in here we will just beat the eggs, guys. Yes. Okay, we will just beat the eggs. Just then we will add our condensed milk, 1 can of condensed milk. Then we will add our, that's evap. I will add now it's condensed. And then we just mixed it. It's very easy, this recipe, guys. Just you need to know what are the ingredients. So here I have a cranberry and raisins. But I think I'm not putting raisins because my husband is not, he don't like this one. So I will just put cranberry. I have here cinnamon powder. And this dish here and that one, we will put that, we will bake that in that. So it's already put with margarine. Now we will put the, mix a little bit. And then we will put the bread. Our milk mixture looks creamy, guys, and smells really milky. Now we're adding our bread. So let's add our bread there. I think 1 can is fine. Yeah, 1 can is fine for all of that bread. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I will write in the description box and I will put that in French also. Les amis, je vais aimer dans description c'est quoi le nom des ingrédients. Ok, mais tu sais déjà c'est quoi? C'est juste du lait condensé évaporé. I think I will add another 1/2 cup of fresh milk. Or you can add, guys, 1 little can of evap. It looks dry. I think, yeah, we will add. Yeah, it looks dry. I think it's fine, but you know, you're putting it in the oven. Yeah, I will add another 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup of fresh milk. So let's start first with 1/4 cup. Because guys, in Abu Dhabi, when we're baking this one, we're really not using measurement, you know, like an experiment only. I think 1/4 is fine. Gonna be, yeah, 1/4 is fine, guys. 1/4 is fine. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, but it's optional, guys. If you don't like cinnamon, then don't put cinnamon. Some people are allergic with cinnamon. Then we're adding this cranberry. If you want, you can add your raisins. Me, I like cranberry. You can add some nuts, but only these things I used before in Abu Dhabi, but with raisins, because cranberry, I think dried cranberry there is expensive. And the reason why my husband don't like raisins, because raisins is very sweet. Like this cranberry, it's a little bit sour, so he likes that one. I don't, okay, a little bit, about 1/2 cup of cranberry, dried cranberry, and that's it, guys. Looks yummy. Looks like umali in Abu Dhabi, but actually this is bread pudding, the pudding that we're doing with Ate Joy. Okay, so that's what happened now, guys. Only one thing. Then we will bake that in the oven, like after 30 minutes we will check how's it look like. But you have to preheat your oven. Always preheat your oven 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, some milk in there. Little some cranberry in top. I think that's fine. So we will bake now, guys. So now, guys, our bread pudding is already cooked. As you can see, check the difference from before. Now it's growing. I put a lot and now it's like level. Yeah, so that's it. Our bread pudding is already cooked. Try that tomorrow morning. I want to eat it cold. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Ate Joy, kuha kaayo na ko ang recipe. Okay guys, now we will try. I will just cut a little piece of our bread pudding. It's good result, guys. Yeah, it's like a cake. It's yummy.